Just think a scenario where cameras become intelligent enough for the shopkeepers to track, take actionable steps, and get the potential out of the data that they weren't getting before. Here is Team Chakarview Breakers. We are here to show you something very interesting. What our product does basically, there are three things. One is theft management, second is fire alarm alert, and the third and most important thing is customer analysis and staff management. These all things you might even get singularly with lower accuracy in today's market, but how about you just imagine it together for a retail store and at a lower cost? That is where we come. To show you the dashboard, you can see all the details of the uh, customers, of the visitors, and the staff employees. And if you look key the store, how much secure it is. If you even see the VIT Chennai marketplace, there also you have this problem. There are 2-3 people sitting always for a shoplifting thing. So, but if when we track it down so that you can take actionable steps on the spot. Fire detection, most required. When I talk about the whole staff management thing, that we identify the staff and customer differently so that our model can easily differentiate between them. And just think, when you can track the customer's movement in your store step by step and without any privacy invasion, that is what we do. Get beautiful insights out of the customer's movement in the store, the customer psychology, that part. And if there is any some alerts that is coming on the website, I just know it quickly. That is what the aim. So let me show you just a simple demo. There is a place in our hackathon where I have made a store simulation. I have mapped all of the things, and when after mapping, what I'm doing is, let's say he is going to take this wire and just run it off, keeping his wire and then running off. So it will automatically alarm saying that this guy is a threat. The fire alarm system is not just a joke. It instantly detects smoke, fire, all of these with the multiple layers of verification and comes on to the particular final decision. And when the final decision comes up, it doesn't even stop there. It sends an instant mail to the fire service authorities with the live location, people inside, and the clip of the fire.